Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about GUIDs in SQL Server, how to make use of them. So there is a function that comes built in with SQL Server. So if you do a select of that function output and run it, so you'll see the GUID generated in SQL Server. So you can make use of this function whenever you need a GUID to be returned to you, right? But the question is how you can make use of this function in a table where you want to make a primary key of GUIDs. All right. So let's see how that works. So I have a simple script, simple create statement that I have. I'll copy paste into this window. So there you go. I got a simple customer table. I'll run the script. So as you can see, it uses the unique identifier, which is the data type for the GUID, and it uses the NEWID function to return the next value of the GUID for the records, and it's also defined as a primary key. So basically, let's see how the GUIDs are inserted into the table. So I have a script, a small loop. I'm going to copy paste into this window here. So I got some records inserted into the table. So let me select it from the select the records from the table and see how they look. So there you go. When I run this, as you can see, the GUIDs are generated upon the insert of the values into the table. So it's simple. But then a SQL Server also comes with another function similar to NEWID, but the difference between the new ID function and the new sequential ID function is that, as you can guess, new sequential ID will give you the GUIDs in a sequential form. So it's kind of a security risk, but if you have a business case, you can go ahead and make use of it. So let's see how that works, right? So let me drop the table quickly. So let me do a drop. So the table is gone. So I'll create the same table, but this time I use the sequential ID instead of the new ID, right? So there's the script. So I'm using new sequential ID here. So if I run this table, there you go. So it created the table. Let's make sure. There's the table. So there is a primary key, unique identifier, same as before, right? So let's insert the records into the table now. So I inserted the records again. Now let me do a select from the table. See, there is a GUID. So they look slightly different to the other one, where NEWID function, where this one you can basically predict the next GUID. So yeah, use it with caution. That's what Microsoft says. But if you have a business case, you can go ahead and use it. And that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.